Start out with a square piece of paper. Fold the piece of paper in half. Open it up and fold it the other way. Then fold both top edges towards the center, creating two flaps. Next, fold the top right corner towards the center line, making a triangle. Fold the bottom right corner towards the center line. Repeat on the other side as well. Make sure that the creases are crisp. Rotate the paper and lift one corner and tuck it inwards. Next, pinch two corners towards each other until the paper naturally folds into itself. Take the center and tuck it under the pocket you just created. Repeat on the other side by creating the pocket first. Make the center fold crease even crisper. This is where your phone will be resting. Place your phone on there and you are good to go. Start with a small piece of popsicle stick and dab a bit of glue on both the ends. Using two popsicle sticks, place it on the glue and angle it in the shape of an A. Place another stick over it which will complete the A. Take another popsicle stick and stick the edges over it like this, which will act as a base for the phone. Stick one more popsicle stick over it to make the base more firm. Dab a bit of hot glue on the joint above and place a popsicle stick as shown. Finish off by adding one more stick between the base and the stand, which will hold everything in place. Place your phone on there and you are good to go. I hope you liked this video. Do give this a try. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.